Please close this window, like the Google Meet one.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. Okay, so my introduction is that I want Business Boost AI is basically a web app where it's like an all-in-one web app and is designed to help small struggling businesses so that they can grow more. And so the platform has things such as AI with like business management tools, allowing the business owners to organize their finances, plan marketing strategies, manage schedules, and have like a personalized business guidance with like with one app. So the goal of this project was basically to help struggling business owners. And then my problem statement is that small business owners face numerous challenges every day. They are responsible for managing finances, marketing, scheduling, customer relationships, and overall business growth. And they often have to do this all alone, like without professional support. So many existing apps focus on only one aspect of business management, which requires owners to switch between multiple platforms to complete their tasks. So this fragmented approach increases stress, it wastes their time, and it makes it more difficult for businesses to stay organized and financially stable. So yeah, that's basically my problem statement. And then why this problem matters is that small businesses play an important role in making local economies and creating employment opportunities, but many business owners can lack access to affordable consulting services or experienced mentors who can guide them through common business challenges. So without effective financial management, marketing strategies, or organized tools, businesses can face slower growth and an increased risk of failure. So like additionally, like I said earlier, the emotional pressure of running a business all on your own can contribute to the stress and burnout. And this problem presents an opportunity to create an accessible solution that provides both practical business guidance and emotional support. So, Business Boost AI provides an integrated platform that combines artificial intelligence with essential elements and business management tools. So, the practical AI assistant helps users create business plans, analyze their performance, make growth strategies, forecast their sales, and get more personalized financial recommendations based on their income. The emotional support AI focuses more on motivating them, stress management techniques, positive reminders, and wellness check ins to support business owners. And then the platform also includes a calendar and task manager so that they could schedule meetings, plan deadlines, and keep a daily goal, and a financial tracker for so they can keep track of their income, expenses, and budgeting, and a marketing planner that generates content ideas and campaign suggestions and social media schedules. So together these features can create a centralized platform that simplifies business management while supporting both productivity and well-being. So the user experience was designed to be simple, intuitive, and personalized. So when they open the app, they're welcome to like a login screen, right? Or they can sign up or make a new account. So when they make their new account, there's going to be like a short questionnaire like what kind of business do you have, or like what problems are you facing? And so then after they do all of that in the questionnaire, then they can ask the AI any question they want, and it's already personalized to the questionnaire that they finished. So this is my product. So do you want me to open this now or do you want to go over it later?
You can go ahead with the demonstration now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna sign out. So if you don't have an account, you would click sign up and then like put in example email. And then this is like the questionnaire. So your business name, your business type, how long has your business been operating, how long your or how big your team is, and why you want to use this web app, and what are your main business challenges, and what are the main business goals for the next 6 months. So I'm going to use these credentials to log in for now. Okay, so here's the dashboard. First we have our AI support chatbot. So you can open this and then you can ask, like, this is the emotional support chatbot. So like here to manage stress and stay motivated and what specific challenge or like problems that we're facing in business. So like you could say, I need motivation. And then it would ask like what's going on or like what's been specific in your business. But like if the questionnaire was filled out, it would automatically be personalized to that. And then the AI business assistant. So this would help more with planning, like marketing strategies, financial advice. So we can click on marketing strategies. And then, yeah, it would give these questions and then you would answer them. And then calendar and events. So here's the calendar. And then you could add goals to your calendar. So your daily goal, your title, and then your description, or it could be a weekly goal. And then you can also add an event. So there's different types of event like meeting, deadline, appointment, reminder, or goal, and then the time that it's going to be at, and then the same thing, the title and the description. And then there's also a financial tracker where it has records of your finances. You can add a record. You could say income or expense, and then how much you earned or you spend it, and then what you spent it on, and then the date you spent it and description. And then you could add that to your records. And then budgets. So you could like set monthly budgets. Like if you want to set a monthly budget on rent, you could set that over here, and then it would all be tracked over here. And then create a business chat, like create a business plan would be connected with the AI support, or sorry, the AI business assistant. And then adding expenses would also be attached to the financial tracker, like it would automatically get added to that. And then you could schedule meetings here and it would get added to your calendar. So my contributions, so for this project, I was responsible for designing both the user experience and the overall product concept. I developed the PRD and designed the UI UX. So like I designed like how it would look and like what kind of app that I wanted to make. And then I selected the application's branding, color palette, typography, accessibility features, and overall visual design because I wanted it to look more professional. And then throughout the project, I wanted to focus on making the app intuitive for business owners with varying levels of technical experience. So impact and future scope. So Business Boost AI has the potential to improve organization, financial management, marketing, and overall productivity for small businesses while also helping reduce the stress associated with running a business. By combining practical business guidance with emotional support, the platform encourages users to make informed decisions and develop sustained business practices. Future enhancements could include voice-enabled AI assistants, bank account integration, inventory management, payroll support, advanced financial forecasting, team collaboration tools, and enhanced business analytics to give a greater value. So to conclude, Business Boost AI was designed to simplify business management by bringing together essential business tools and artificial intelligence within one web app. Rather than requiring entrepreneurs to rely on multiple applications, Business Boost AI provides personalized guidance, financial management, scheduling, marketing assistance, and emotional support in all in one. So thank you for your time, and I appreciate your attention and the opportunity to present my project today, and I would be happy to answer any further questions.
Yeah. Hi. Firstly, I really like the project idea, to be very honest, because it's actually a real problem because a lot of small businesses are really facing this issue. The PPT was really good, but I'd suggest that you can include like numbers, okay, in your PPT, like who all are the small business owners, was the count, was the percentage in your area, how many people are actually facing this, and like if you introduce your tool, like how can you increase their revenue or maybe their planning or something like that, okay.
Right.
um, there were a lot of features that you mentioned, like there were too many things, so I just want to know like what, according to you, like what all are the key features that can actually help the business owners, and maybe then you can build upon those features first and then maybe later on build on the secondary features. Okay, so what do you think, which are the key features right now?
Right now, I feel like if you're a struggling business owner, I would say one of the key features would be the budget or like the financial tracker, so you can keep track of how much you're spending and what your budget is. And also the business AI, like the one that would help you make a business plan or like marketing strategies, because it would give you more ideas. And also the emotional support AI.